am filming outside because it's a beautiful day, and I'm recovering from the C word, if you guys know what I'm referring to. I'm okay. I was sick the last week, but like actually feeling really bad was like 2 days. I had one night of fever and it was horrible, but I'm back. You're gonna be filming today a little Loveshackfancy unboxing. Oh my gosh, it's very windy, but last night I made these beautiful cookies. They're little unicorn Pillsbury inspired cookies. Oh my gosh. And yeah, I just set up my little Loveshackfancy towel, which I don't even know if you can really see, but it's fine. This, I already had this Loveshackfancy cardigan. I just brought it out because it probably was cold. But I went ahead and ordered from Chloe, which she also has a YouTube channel here, so I'm going to link it down below so you guys can check her out. She's super sweet, and she wrote me a little card. So cute, from Loveshackfancy. I'm going to put it in here so it doesn't fly away. I did go ahead and open this when I first got it, but I'm going to pretend I'm just opening it now. So it comes in this beautiful tissue paper. Sorry, my sinuses here. Anyway, so it came with a beautiful little ribbon, so I'm gonna use this in my hair and stuff. It's gonna be adorable. Hi, Mia. Beautiful tissue paper, of course. So the first thing I got was the American Girl Loveshackfancy Garden Party Cardigan, and it's girl size. This is a size 16, and it has these beautiful 2 bows on this side, and then it has embroidered flowers on the other side, and it's just a very cute cropped cardigan. I'll go ahead and show a try-on portion so you guys can see what it looks like. For reference, I am 4'11", I'm very short, so this can work for me. It can work for you because it's petite, and yeah. So this one's a 16. I heard that the 12 even fits too, so that is just reference, but it's super cute. And I really like the tag. I'm honestly gonna keep the tag. It's stunning. Scrapbook with that. Oh my gosh, this is a whole look. Okay, then the next thing I got is a skirt. And this is a size 14-16, I think. Yeah, size 14-16, which is a large in kids. And it's this beautiful ruffle skirt. Little mini skirt with hearts, and you can see it has like heart crochet, I guess you would call it, at the very bottom. It's like a heart trim. This is so pretty on. I did try it on right when it came in the mail, but you're gonna see in the try on. It's literally perfect length and everything. I am obsessed, and it's super stretchy. I love that for kids clothing. It can be so forgiving because it's stretchy. So yeah, it's just a whole little set here. I love it. And yeah, I just thought I would make this a video because why not make a whole dedicated video for a Loveshackfancy haul? Oh my gosh, and then this in my hair would be so cute. This is the little ribbon up close. Love that. She's so sweet. She added some extra stuff, like I said, the ribbon. She also added this super cute Loveshackfancy tote bag. Like, what? I have not opened this yet. Oh, also, if you guys are wondering, my top is Loveshackfancy. It's a crop top, and I'm sure you've seen this pattern in the dresses. I'm obsessed with the crop top, and I'm just wearing a very cute midi white skirt that's from Aerie, which is a Loveshackfancy dupe. I'm sure you guys have seen it on TikTok because everybody talked about it when it came out last year. But yeah, look at how cute this tote bag is. I'm obsessed. It's so cute to take to the beach. Oh my gosh, we're gonna have such, and then with my towel here, such a Loveshackfancy beach day. Oh my gosh, that would be a cute video idea. You guys, hot weather is coming, and that means I could film a Loveshackfancy beach day video. So yeah, it came with that beautiful tote bag, and then she added some more tissue paper. So cute, the girl knows, the girl knows. I'm gonna use it for arts and crafts. Oh, and then she added the shopping bag. Oh my gosh, the print is so pretty. Wait, stop. Wait, stop. This is gonna be so pretty. I mean, yeah, it has a little dent, but who cares? Oh my gosh, wait, this is gonna look so good with my room. Okay guys, a room decor idea that you guys can do, which is what I do with the small shopping bags. I use a Loveshackfancy bags, put tissue paper, and I kind of set up my room like a little Loveshackfancy store, and it's literally everything. This is so cute. I'm obsessed. And then now we have the card. And yeah, that is all that I got from my little Loveshackfancy order. I thought I would do a video because I thought it would be really cute and I thought you guys would like it. Oh my gosh, I'm like surrounded by Loveshackfancy. It's everything. I'll show you guys. And yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I feel like I have to sit low so you guys can see me. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you all in the very next one. Comment down below any ideas you guys have. And it's just good to be back. It's good to be healthy. And yeah, I will see you guys all next time. Bye guys.